This is our main comprehensive warehouse located in Jiangsu Province. We maintain a permanent stock of over 500 tons of aluminum materials ready for immediate delivery. Here you can see aluminum round bars in various diameters from small precision sizes up to large heavy-duty round bars exceeding 500 millimeters in diameter. Square bars, rectangular bars, flat bars in multiple thicknesses, hexagonal bars, seamless and welded aluminum tubes, precision thin rods starting from 1 millimeter, as well as specialized large diameter rods. Full range of aluminum plates from 0.5 millimeters thin sheets to 400 millimeters thick plates. All materials are from mainstream Chinese mills, with mill certificates available. 500 plus tons constant inventory ensures we can support large-scale and urgent projects anytime.